All right, so this is part 3 of the lab. For this one, we're looking at 2 repelling magnets. So we've got the north to north end here. So like charges repel each other. It could be south to south. Both are gonna give the same pattern for magnetic field lines. So again, we're gonna focus here mainly on the space in between the 2 magnets because we wanna see what those magnetic field lines look like for repelling magnets. Again, notice that as I sprinkle this, the majority of the filings are wanting to stick to both ends of the magnets. Again, that tells us a lot about where our magnetic field is the strongest. Okay, so if you guys recall from the assignment that we last did, when we look at magnetic field lines between 2 repelling magnets, we're gonna see that they are gonna connect the north end of one magnet to the south end of that same magnet. They shouldn't connect the 2 magnets because they are repelling, and so our line should show that much, okay? So as we look at this, oops, I just kind of messed up the best part of this. Okay, we really see some good patterns in between here, okay? I'm gonna put the majority in that space. Okay, so for this one, we can see obviously this line coming off the north, and then it's starting to kind of loop around and come back to this other end. Again, we can't really see the south pole on this one. Same with all these lines. They're coming near these other magnetic field lines, but once those magnetic field lines intersect, they kind of move away from each other and go back to the ends of their other magnets. So again, when you're drawing your lines, you have them coming off the end, coming close to the magnetic field of the repelling magnet, and then looping around back to their other magnet. So they should never intersect and they shouldn't ever touch, and they are not connecting the 2 magnets. So your drawing should represent that for your repelling magnets. And then you guys will go ahead and move on to part 4. There's a different video for you guys to watch there.